To my home buyers and investors, welcome to Galencia Properties. My name is Nkateko Maluleke and I'm going to show you the F-type in Mont Tremblant estate in Fourways, Craigavon. Where simplicity meets sophistication. Signature Galencia finishes with our thermal stove, extractor fan, and our electric oven. Space for 2 appliances. Do you have a single door or a double door fridge? There's more than enough space. And over here, we have our open plan where you have the dining suite and the living suite as well. That'll lead you all the way to your patio, right into your private garden. From extravagant bathroom finishes to bedrooms with more than enough cupboard space. With the main bedroom equipped with a full ensuite and big enough to fit a king-size bed. Be the host of the town with a bedroom that offers extravagant views. Be as productive as you can be with our study area and bookshelf. But need a coffee break? Come join me outside. Come secure this wonderful luxury for 3 million rand, no added costs. And this beautiful house can be yours and your family. My name is Nkateko Maluleke. Thank you for joining me at Mont Tremblant Estate in Fourways, Craigavon.